Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is non-negotiable. Once they're active, set AirDrop discoverability to contacts only or everyone, depending on who you're sharing with. Now open Finder and click AirDrop in the sidebar so your Mac becomes visible. Make sure the other device is nearby and awake. If you use contacts only, ensure the Apple ID phone or email matches. Once done, you'll see nearby devices appear. Tap the one you want to send to and get ready to transfer. You'll drag files directly onto the recipient's icon in the AirDrop Finder window. That's the fastest method. Or, from any app, use the Share menu and pick AirDrop, then choose the person. You can send multiple items at once. They queue and transfer in order. While sending, watch the small progress indicator on the recipient icon so you know when it finishes. If a transfer stalls, cancel and retry one file at a time. Smaller batches often succeed where large bundles fail. When the recipient accepts, the files typically land in downloads. Ask them to confirm and open the file in the correct app. Once complete, you can delete originals or archive them. If the transfer doesn't start, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both machines and make sure they're within about 30 feet. If issues persist, set AirDrop to everyone temporarily to rule out contact recognition problems, and restart Finder or the sending app. This simple restart fixes most intermittent connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.